Good morning students. How are you all children today? You are good? Yes, me. I am also good. So my dear kids, once again I am here, your teacher, to make you learn EVS, and in EVS we are going to learn about lesson number 1, that is air. And my dear kids, you please tell me what is air. Okay? What is air? Yes, what is the meaning of or the word in Hindi? Air means hawa. Okay. So my dear kids, before learning about air, let's do some small activity. Okay. And for activity, today I have a balloon. Okay. You like balloon? Yes, this is a balloon. So my dear kids, now take a balloon, and in this activity, what you have to do? The second step is blow air into it. Now, yes. Now, what is inside this? Yes, balloon के अंदर क्या है? ये कैसे पता चलेगा? Yes, now slowly you open its mouth on your face. Yes, I feel cold. Yes, do you feel cold? Now repeat this exercise at your home. Repeat this activity at your home. What you feel now? You feel air. Yes, you feel cold. So my dear kids, air is everywhere. Okay, now when we switch on the fan, okay, when we switch on the fan, we feel relaxed. Why? Because we get air from it, and we know that air is everywhere. Air is everywhere. Say my dear students, air is everywhere. Okay, so we cannot see the air. If we blow a balloon, see my dear students, if we blow a balloon, okay, the air is inside it, but we cannot see it. हम air को देख नहीं सकते हैं. Okay students, आया समझ में बेटा आपको? Yes, we cannot see air, but yes, we feel air. Yes, we feel air, but we cannot see air. So my dear kids, where is air? Air is everywhere. Air is everywhere. Okay. So I hope today you had understand about air. Now my dear kids, why do we need air? Yes, we need air to live. Now if we close our nose for 2 minutes, we will die. Okay, so we cannot live without air. Air is necessary for us, and not only for us but for plants and animals also. Okay students, अगर हम सांस नहीं लेंगे तो हम क्या हो जाएंगे? मर जाएंगे, है ना? इसलिए हवा हम सब के लिए ज़रूरी है, और ना केवल हमारे लिए but for animals also and for plants. So we need air to live. So my dear kids, after doing the activity, say the answer. Can you see the air? No. Can you feel the air? Yes, we can feel the air, but we cannot see it. Now some of the examples are also we have that air is everywhere. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, now one picture I will draw for you. See students, what is this? Yes, this is a kite. Very good. This is a kite, and kite flies high in the sky. Yes, how it flies high in the sky? Because of the air. Okay, and you see the birds also fly in the sky because of the air. Okay. Okay, kids, we have to remember the thing in this chapter that air is present everywhere and we cannot live without air. We cannot see air, but we can feel the air. Okay, students, now let us learn further with the help of our textbook. So my dear kids, take out page number 44 of term 3 book and start writing answer. Why do we need air? And the answer is, write like this: we need air. From the question you have to write we need air, and after that you write TO2 LIVE, live. We need air to live. Okay, then go to the second question. Where is air? Okay, read the question. Where is air? And the answer is, air is everywhere. Okay, write like this: air is everywhere. Then go to the fill in the blanks. We can dash air. Yes children, we can feel air. FEEL, feel. Birds dash in air. Fly. Birds fly in air. Write the spelling of fly. FLY, fly. Okay, then say yes or no. Air can move fast. Yes, air can move fast. Answer is yes. YES. Write in the box YES. We can see air. Yes, is it true? We can see air? No. So the answer is NO, no. And now color the following picture. See dear students, this is clouds, this is kite, and this is trees. Okay, this is some mountain, this is grass. So this is one boy and a girl, and this is also cloud. So color the following picture. That is your homework. Okay, my dear kids, after finish writing in the term book, take out your EVS copy and write today 2 sentences in your copy. Okay, so my dear kids, the question is, why do we need air? Yes, why do we need air? We need air to live. And the second question is, where is air? Yes, air is everywhere. So today we are going to write the 2 different sentences. Okay, the first one you can write capital cursive WEV. Okay, join W and E together. Okay, we need air. Air spelling AIR, air. We need air. Then TO2, we need air to live. LIVE, live, and put one full stop over there. Okay, now say the sentence with me. We need air to live. Say students, WEVNEED, need, AIR, air, TO2 LIVE, live. We need air to live. Okay, you write this sentence one page. Okay, as a classwork. Now the second sentence, you write air is everywhere. Okay, where is air? Air is everywhere. So you write students, spelling of air, A, capital cursive A, IR, air. Like this you write in line properly. Okay, say students, AIR, air, and spelling of is IS. IS is, air is every. EVERY, every. Air is everywhere. W-H-E-R-E. Air is everywhere. Then put one dot, that is full stop. Okay, now read. A-I-R, air. I-S is E-V-E-R-Y, every. W-H-E-R-E, where. Air is everywhere. Okay, this sentence also you have to write one page. Okay students, this is your classwork, and for practice work you have to write these two sentences 5 times. Okay, how many times? 5 times each sentence. Okay students, and we are going to meet on the next day. Send all the classworks and practice worksheets to me, okay, so that I can know you people are learning and writing at your home. And my dear kids, you follow the cursive writing. Okay, stop writing the simple letters. Okay, start writing in cursive letters. Goodbye students.